We're going to public. Hi. Like, you know when you move your wheel? So cute.
So we just got back from Publix, and I'm gonna go over some of what we got. Some lunch meat, some sausage, some chicken tenders, shaved Parmesan, some black pepper, which actually I need to return that black pepper because that's whole black pepper, some sun-dried tomatoes, some heavy whipping cream, some cornstarch, some juice, different types of pasta, mayonnaise, vanilla, some chicken stock, Trinity mix, strawberries, kale, and some Doritos. After I put the groceries away, I decided to go ahead and tackle this downstairs bathroom. The girls have been using it to cook in the sink, so they have a whole bunch of toys down here that need to be put away, some hair stuff and little stuff on the counter that just needs to be put away and organized. So I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to pull out my favorite cleaning product right now, which is Mr. Clean Citrus, and I'm just wiping some of the dirt. I'm just wiping some of the dirt and dust off of the counter, and then I'm going to go in and start scrubbing away. I love this little scrubby brush I got, I think from the dollar store. Yep, pretty sure I got it from the dollar store, either the dollar store or Target. So just scrubbing, and I always have to scrub around the faucets because it gets calcium. I think it's calcium buildup. It just is rusty looking, and I don't know. So scrubbing. Oh, knock the pumpkin over. I don't know why I just don't move the pumpkin, because you'll see I'll hit it again. I'll hit it again. So now I'm just wiping the counter down and going in and spraying down the mirror. So here I am wiping the mirror off. I love the mirror cleaner smell. Do y'all? Alright, so all that's done, and I'm putting everything back on the counter in its proper place, and it will stay clean for probably 20 minutes. Alright, so now here I am cleaning down the toilet. I usually first wipe the toilet off with a napkin or some toilet tissue or something like that, just to again get the dust off of it, but wipe the whole thing down with a Lysol wipe, clean the bowl, and take out the trash. Alright, so now I'm upstairs folding some laundry. I swear I'm always forever doing laundry. So folding this load of laundry, and then I'm gonna go ahead and you'll see me change the sheets and make up the bed again. So now here is the big laundry pile, which is the girls' clothes. Their room does need to be cleaned up a little bit, but honestly, the cleaning up portion isn't bad. It's mostly we're in the girls' room right now. I'm just trying to get them to separate their clothes so that we can put them away. And I'm not doing literally everything. I feel like they can at least separate their own clothes. So let's see if I can get them to do that. Luna,
Mommy, there's Lola.
give me the towels. I'll take the towels. Okay. And Luna, you put your clothes in your pile. Keep your clothes on this bed. And Ro, you put your clothes on your bed. Is this your clothes? This your pile?
No, it's mine. Mommy, watch.
But this is your clothes right here.
Mommy,
right?
watch me not.
So are all these yours?
Here. Mommy, watch me not miss. Mommy, no. Oh, wait. Watch me not miss.
All right. So yeah, that kind of worked and it kind of didn't. They mostly separated their own clothes, but as you can see, I'm still here separating and folding their clothes, helping them, which honestly, they're kids, so it's normal. I'm just really trying to teach them habits and get them in the habit of trying to take care of their own clothes, at least separating some clothes or helping me separate clothes, helping me put clothes on hangers and putting them away. So honestly, I think it worked out okay. I'm just gonna go in and make up their beds and do a little bit of straightening up of the room so that we can kind of get it all nice and tidy. Now I'm just trying to enjoy the game a little bit with my husband and the dog. And then a little bit later, we decided to start making some homemade Rice Krispie treats.
I'm so excited because it's my first time making Rice Krispies, and I love them with sprinkles and marshmallows because they're also my favorite. Ah, bye-bye marshmallows. Oh, God. Mommy, what's she? It has the sprinkles.
All right.
My sister's putting sprinkles in there. Can I put some? Oh, my God. That not taste good.
It's good?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It tastes like Rice Krispie already.
You cleaning up your desk, babe? Cleaning up your desk?
Yes.
Huh?
I needed to be creative over here. I need to want to get something to put here. I mean, I'm gonna put stuff here. The probably mostly right here
Mm-hmm.
for this area. Clean up all this junk that's over here. Get about these baskets. Just kind of minimize the area.
Mm-hmm. You know I'm about minimizing. Now this section over here was supposed to be my plant desk, my little plant section, but somebody hijacked it.
I didn't hijack it.